Hello, beautiful. It's Jackie, co-founder of Plant Chics, and I have a nice little yoga flow for you. It's going to get your heart rate up, and this is a great flow that you can do to start your day, go into meditation after, and it will really help calm your mind and really clear you for your meditation. So I hope you enjoy this short little flow that I created for you, and all you're going to need is your yoga mat. So let's do it. Surya Namaskar B. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step the feet back, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right foot steps forward. Warrior one. Let's hold here for breath. Exhale, fold forward. Step the right leg back. Lower down, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg steps forward, warrior one. That back leg, the heels press down, your feet are perpendicular. Exhale, fold forward. Left leg steps back, lower down, inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Like that. Now we're going to change this up. We're going to do a little flow today. Turn the Surya Namaskar B. You're going to bend the knees, step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg steps forward. Warrior one. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Hold it here. Good, now we're going to go ahead and inhale and reverse that warrior. And hold here for a couple breaths. On your next exhale, circle the arms around. Step the right foot back. Lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg steps forward. Warrior one. Hold it here for a couple breaths. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Hold here. On your exhale, you're going to flip it, reverse it. Reverse the warrior. Hold it here for a couple breaths. That back arm it can go down the back leg, or you can bring it across the body, whatever is comfortable for you. Your next exhale, circle your arms down, step the left leg back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Holding here for 5 breaths. Step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg steps forward into warrior one. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. And exhale, perfect. Inhale, bring it up to a high lunge. So the back leg rotates, the back foot. It was in warrior two. Your feet are perpendicular. You're going to come up onto your toes and bring it into a high lunge. Hold it here. Giving it a good stretch in that hip flexor. Good, exhale, bring it down. Step the right leg back, lower down, chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg steps forward. Warrior one. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Hold it here for a minute. Good, inhale, bring it up to the high lunge. the heel and the back. Holding it here. Again, getting the good stretch in your right hip flexor. And then you can exhale and cactus the arms, opening up the heart. One more breath. And on the exhale, bring the hands down. Left leg steps back, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Good. Our blood we should be really pumping through our body right now. We should be warming up. This downward facing dog is almost like a pause button. It's a little break we get. And the next exhale, bend the knees, step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, upward, look up. Halfway up, exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. We're adding on a little bit more. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg steps forward. Warrior one. Exhale, open it up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Inhale, bring it up to that high lunge, hold it here. And now we're gonna twist. So the left arm goes over the right leg, twisting it, getting a good stretch in the lower back. And just like we did the other day, if you want to, you can open it up here. Good, let's go ahead and bring it back up to a high lunge. And lower down, step the right leg back. Lower down here. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg steps forward. Warrior one. Exhale, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Inhale, high lunge. One more breath. On the exhale, let's go ahead and twist. Want to, you can keep your hands in prayer, heart center, or you can open it up. Remember, you can also use your mat or your blocks at this time. Good, let's go ahead and bring it back to a high lunge. On your next exhale, hands come down. Step it back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step or jump the feet back. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right leg steps forward, warrior one. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, bring it to a high lunge. Twist. Bring it back to the high lunge. Exhale, fold forward. Right leg steps back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg steps forward. Warrior one. Open it up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, lunge. Inhale, twist. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, fold forward. Step back, lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. We're going to hold this for 3 breaths. We're going to go one more time. Your exhale, step or jump feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose, sit low. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, step the feet back. Lower down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, Downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg steps forward, warrior one. Exhale, open up, warrior two. Inhale, reverse the warrior. Exhale, high lunge. Inhale, twist. Exhale. Ooh. Good. Inhale, high lunge. Exhale, lower down. Step the right leg back. Come down. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left leg step forward. Warrior one. Inhale. Exhale, you got it, girls. Inhale, reverse warrior. Exhale, bring it up to a high lunge. Exhale, twist. Inhale, high lunge. Yes, baby girl, you got it. Exhale, fall forward. Step the leg back. Inhale, upward facing. Inhale, downward facing dog. There's a behind or left leg pivot. Ooh, feels good. And your next exhale, step or jump the feet to the top of the mat. Inhale, look halfway up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, chair pose. Exhale, Tadasana. Oh, I hope you enjoyed that yoga flow as much as I did. And I would love to hear what you're going to be doing after. Are you going to do some more yoga? Are you going to meditate? What's in store for you for the rest of the day? Make sure you take a selfie, tag us on social, and share it with us. You guys make it a great day, and thanks again for practicing.